In this example, I will show you how to quickly assign all textures for a multi-object UDIM asset. Here, we have a NBC outfit made of several objects, all using UDIMs. As you can see, there are 8 objects grouped together, with 7 UDIMs for this complete outfit. In the outliner, you can clearly see the 8 objects. For now, Arnold's subdivisions are disabled, and I'm going to enable them. No problem for MapFlow. Since this is a rubber outfit, I'm going to add some subsurface scattering. I set the SSS weight to 0.2, the scale to 0.1, and keep random walk V2 mode. Because there are metallic parts, I enable Use Metal as SSS mask so they don't receive subsurface scattering. I also use the base color as the SSS color. Now, let's use batch processing, which is the core of MapFlow. I select the folder containing the UDIM textures. MapFlow automatically detects the matching group based on the folder name. Everything is now ready. I also enable displacement with a value of 0.5. Then I activate Arnold subdivisions with Catmull Clark level 2. The other options remain unchanged. Everything is now configured. I launch batch processing. Let's look at what happens in Hypershade. I click, and there you go. The shader is created in less than half a second. All subsurface parameters are applied. Arnold subdivisions are correctly set on all objects. In just 3 clicks, textures, displacement, and subdivisions are automatically applied. All connections are correct. The base color is linked to color, subsurface color, and radius. Everything is perfectly connected. With MapFlow, there is no risk of connection errors. In 1 or 2 seconds, everything is ready. Now I start the render. You can see that SSS is correctly applied. Rubber parts look natural. And metallic parts remain fully metallic. Enjoy!